Hello, everybody. We thank you so much for joining us on this channel. I want to share with you one of the error I got when I was importing credit card transactions into D365 system, and I got the error message saying that the credit card import can't be completed because card number xxx is not mapped to an employee. So actually, I had already an employee mapped with a credit card, and when I try to import those transactions, doesn't work. If you go to human resource modules employee, then you select the concerned employee and you click on the expense menu, you edit the credit card, you only see the four last digits of the credit cards. That's the issue. So the settings seem to be the same for all employees with only the last four numbers of the credit card inserted. So the message is very strange because the phone numbers are not sufficient to identify credit card. And once you have already saved the information, it's very difficult to see the credit, the whole numbers of the credit card. So you just make sure that the credit card number is full, entered in Excel, and then you can be able to process your DMF file. So the solution actually, for the security reasons, D365 shows only the last four numbers of the credit card, but it contains all the card number. So the value you insert must be the same present in the Excel file to be imported. Once you put the right card number in your system, then you should be able to import the credit card transaction. So hope this helped you, and if you do have question, please feel free to ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.